Okay, folks. Well, there's the tang. I got it out of the 4-speed gearbox, and that hasn't actually moved. I didn't want to rattle around or move it because I knew that the tang would just be in there somewhere, resting down here somewhere. So I got this this bit of TIG wire, and I dipped that into petroleum gel. So I had like that, a relatively liberal amount on there. I poked that in the hole and just felt just gently down, because gravity was taking place when this broke, where I assumed that it may have gone in that general area, and there you go, we retrieved it. So don't give up hope it's not like a box apart job, okay? Unless you're really like, I don't know how, but generally this job sort of goes all right, okay? All right, now to install the stud. Okay, I'll give that to you, Lee. And I'm just going to, firstly, I'm going to, I might have to just give that a little bit of a tickle there, just to clean it a little bit. Make sure we got no Vaseline or petroleum gel, whatever you want to call it, in there. Now we've got our stud, and we got our ratchet for our stud. So now we can prepare. Actually, I should be able to just screw that in naturally, fairly good like that. Maybe come around to the side over here a bit and take a picture of the actual thread. That's going to be the bit we want to focus on, I reckon. Yep. And then we're going to put on the thread locker again. Hang on, no. Yeah, sorry, stud locker again. So here we go, stud locker. Same as I used before. And I'm going to turn around and really get this on liberal. I don't want this coming out, period. Right. So, there we go. We are in. Shit going everywhere. Just let the weight of the ratchet handle do the job. No need for pressure or force at this stage. Do a check on the height of the stud so it's matching the other guys. Looks about right to me, I think. It's about right there, I reckon. And that went in nice and easy. So what I could do, if we get a dose of the particularitis, I might just get my little measuring stick out. spot on. So I don't really want to force that in anymore. I'm just going to let that settle and just lock in where it is. And then see what happens later, whether I can get this nut off. Without the stud undoing. And if I can do that, then I know I've got success. But right now, I do not want to interrupt, disturb that, or anything like that. You notice how I put the threads in a little bit before the Loctite went on. That's so I don't drop Loctite into the case. I don't want that mixing up with the gear oil and stuff like that either. Anyway, note of the 4-speed is generally use your same oil you put in your engine for the shovel head and earlier models, and it should be a straight 50 HD 50 oil. Just going to have a look, see if I've got one around. No, I don't have one actually handy that I can get to. I know I've got one. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There's shit everywhere in this shed. I haven't got it organised. I shouldn't even be doing this sort of work. There you go. That's the oil that goes in your gearbox, in your transmission, and your motor. All right, and that's, you know, you've got bronzing parts and stuff inside, so you don't want to be using those synthetic oils. Okay, so do with the types of metals that were used in these earlier motors. Okay, see ya.